Our Your Town series continues throughout the week. We're going to be live in Camillus on Friday, Matt.
Yeah, that's nice. Hopefully we have good weather by then. But we have a lot of days to get through before then. And the most active weather of the week is coming up in the next half a day or so, Violet, right?
Yeah, it actually arrives late tonight and into tomorrow. Tomorrow looks to be the soggiest day of the week. And we also have to talk about the risk for some severe thunderstorms as well. But starting with this evening, if you are heading out, the other concern is the heat. Right now, we're sitting in the lower 90s in Syracuse. I'm sweating outside, and I'm not even standing in the sun, so I can't even imagine how much hotter it feels in the sun right now. So make sure you stay hydrated for this evening, and then heading out the door tomorrow, give yourself some extra time for that morning commute. There is the risk for severe storms early in the morning, and then a second round that arrives in the afternoon. And the main threats are going to be some heavy rainfall and high wind gusts. We are also tracking some warm temperatures for the rest of this week as we hang right around 80 degrees. But looking ahead to next weekend, that's when we're expecting some hot weather to return back into the picture, getting closer to 90 degrees. And eventually the humidity slowly builds back in through the weekend as well. Let's start with this evening. A live look from our triple Doppler radar sponsored by Falso Service Experts. Seeing sunshine outside and some hot temperatures right now. Lower 90s in Syracuse, upper 80s outside of the city. We are going to see a cold front arrive pretty shortly. That will bring us increasing clouds tonight, then some showers developing around 2 or 3 a.m., but turning into thunderstorms for that morning commute. 6, 7, 8 a.m., that's when we can expect some heavy downpours. They will be fairly brief, but still something you'll have to encounter for that morning commute. After this cold front goes through, we'll get some daytime heating and some sunshine in between, with some dry periods from about 9 until noon. Then beginning around noon and into the afternoon hours, that's where we're tracking our second round of thunderstorms, with also the risk for some to be strong to severe. So your Hoffman's grilling forecast for this evening, temperatures will sink down into the upper 80s over the next couple of hours, staying dry with mostly sunny skies and that nice breeze. Then tomorrow we are expecting the threat for severe weather. The main threats are going to be high wind gusts, hail, and some heavy rainfall, maybe some pooling on the roads for that morning commute and the second round for that afternoon to evening commute. Best chance for it will be to the south and east of Syracuse. That's where we have a slight risk for severe storms. So your plow and mow is mow or no forecast tomorrow looking like a no-go. Even though we will have some dry periods, your lawn is probably going to be soaked from the morning. By Wednesday, we are tracking the chance for a couple of isolated showers and storms, not many of them, so it's still iffy. You'll just have to keep an eye on the sky. Then Thursday and Friday looks nice as we dry out. Now let's time out your forecast hour by hour. Temperatures will be sinking into the upper 80s over the next hour or two with mostly sunny skies. Increasing clouds tonight, dry up until about 2 or 3 a.m. That's when we start to see some scattered showers beginning to develop, turning into scattered thunderstorms for that morning commute. 6, 7, 8 a.m. that's when we're going to see that activity roll through. We will get a dry break from about 9 until noon. Then right around noon, we get that second round of storms developing, and that heads out about 4 p.m. After 4 p.m., just tracking some isolated showers into the nighttime hours. Checking out your 7-day forecast. Warm all week long, hanging out in the lower 80s with a chance for an isolated storm or two on Wednesday, but again, not many of them. 79 Thursday, 82 Friday, then back up into the upper 80s for the weekend. Dry up until Sunday with just a chance for a couple of isolated showers. A live look now from our Stanley Lost Skywatch Destiny USA camera. Make sure you have that water bottle on hand if you are heading out this evening. Again, very hot conditions we're seeing outside. Back inside.